I don't want to leave you. Oh, I don't want to leave this doggy. It's so cute. So good morning. It's my birthday today. Sorry, my hair's a mess. I just woke up and I started doing my makeup. So I don't actually know the plan for today. I think I'm gonna go out in a bit. So I finished doing my makeup now, and I am going to paint my nails. I think I'm gonna paint them this colour of Barry M, which is called Pink Ice. This one, their new metallics range. So yeah, I'm gonna paint my nails because they're so chipped and gross. I think we're gonna go out for dinner today because I don't actually have a birthday cake today. It's in the bakery. I don't have a birthday cake today, but we're gonna have the birthday cake tomorrow.
Trying to roast meat? What? Little brother standing on his own 2 feet. Not for long. Oh shit, my bag's opening. I'm a savage, you're a puppy queen. I forgot the rest of the song. You're on dog. You're on dog. Please. Okay, goodbye.
So good morning, guys. I'm just about to edit my what was it called? No thumbs challenge. Yesterday I didn't really vlog. Yesterday was my birthday. Why do I keep saying yesterday was my birthday. We went out for dinner, but that's all we did. We're gonna have like the cake today, so I'll film that when we have it. Just yesterday we didn't really do much. I didn't think it was point in filming. Why am I out of breath? I literally run up the stairs and I get out of breath. But yeah, so I'm just about to go and edit that video, and I'll talk to you guys when I finished. Also, I just remembered, like, this week's my last week. I'm leaving on Friday, and I'm really sad about it. He's upset. He's gonna be left here by himself, basically. But yeah, I don't want to leave. Like, every time I come here, I feel like I live here, which is kind of weird. Like, I forget that I live in England. I don't know why, but I'm kind of sad to leave. Are you, Nabil?
Yeah.
Okay, let me go and edit this video because it's already 11. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, goodbye. So I just finished editing my video. It took me about an hour, I think. It took me about an hour now to edit it, and that video will be going up on Tuesday at 6 o'clock. Ooh, so yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I think I'm just gonna help my cousin edit her video, which is also going up on Tuesday, which is today. Is today Tuesday? Yeah. Yeah, today at 5, and so the No Thumbs Challenge will be going up today at 6. So yeah. So I finished editing everything I need to edit, and now I think I'm gonna change out my pajamas. I'm gonna change out my pajamas, and I'm gonna go and have some lunch. I think I might just put these clothes that I was wearing today, the Mickey shorts, on because I only wore them for like a tiny bit. I can't be asked to put anything else on. So yeah, I'm just gonna get changed. So I just got changed back into these clothes that I wore today. So yeah, I am just gonna go and eat lunch, and I'll probably vlog after I finish eating.
I'm wearing your glasses. I look like you now. I don't. I really don't.
Okay.
These belong on your head.
I hate wearing glasses, to be honest. Okay, bye. So we just came back from the village. I went to get my cake, and now we're playing with the cute puppies. Let me just show you. Look at the little puppies. Oh, you can't see them very well. Look, they're so tiny. And there's this little one. Wait, let me show it in the light. Look at it. Look at this puppy. It's so cute. They're so tiny. Here you go, take this puppy.
Aww.
It's so adorable. Tiny little babies. Hello. Aww, they're so adorable. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. wait, that's bad lighting. We're gonna finish filming the quiz for these two, where's Matt? Those two's channel, yeah, because we started filming yesterday, but then we got interrupted.
Here for the fun.
Yeah. Got interrupted, and after I had to go and sing her birthday. So yeah, we're gonna continue filming it now, and I'll talk to you guys probably when we finish. So we finished filming our quiz thing that's going up on their channel. I don't know what day. And now we're walking down to the village, and the time is what? What's the time? I think it's like 7 something. Just gonna check.
No, just 7:50.
7:50. We're walking down to the village. So yeah, I don't actually know what we're gonna do there. Probably gonna have ice cream, yummy, and walk around for a bit and stuff. I don't know. I'll film when we get there though. Sorry, I'm just like wobbling the camera because I'm walking.
Guys,
Look.
guys, let me know where I can't see him.
You come down, you know.
Can't see who. He went to pee in the middle of the bushes. Gross. Wait to guys later. No, I just fell and cut myself on the gravel. Disgusting. Ew, it's actually just stones in it. It's dripping. Great.
It wasn't my fault. It was not.
Do you have any content? I mean, commentary.
Oh God.
Don't blame it on me in the comments, because it was not me.
Yeah, I tripped.
I tripped on this stupid gravel.
I hardly scratched myself.
Oh, that's actually a big drip.
Foreshadowing.
Wow. Anyway, I need to clean. No!
Don't worry.
Just walking back, we walked, why am I speaking like that? So we walked to under the airport, which is over there. Oh my god, I nearly just tripped again. And yeah, we had ice cream, we had Oreo ice cream. It's actually really nice, really good. What ice cream did you get?
I don't know, I forgot. It's like this chocolate one.
Oh yeah. It's like this one with a cone, it has like a chocolate thing on top. I don't actually know what it's called. I don't think we have that one in England. But yeah, we're walking back now. I don't know, we might have dinner or something, but I'm trying to find my cousin. And I don't have her phone number, so I can't find her. And the other two decided to walk further up, but we didn't want to walk because it's kind of dark. And yeah, I mean, there's really nothing up there anyway. So we're walking back to the village. And I'm not sure what we're going to do. So, I'll vlog in a minute. Whee! We just got home. We had dinner, we had like some chips and a sandwich, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh. Do you like packing, Nabil?
No.
I hate packing. I'm going crazy. We have to leave in how many hours? I don't know. My bag is so fat I can't pick it up, and I don't know. Took a shower. I did my makeup. I can't find my glasses anywhere, Mummy! Where are they? I'll be back. Need to go and find my glasses. No idea where they are. Ah, I hate packing so much. So much. Have you seen my glasses? Have you seen my glasses? No? Okay. Oh, I don't think I want to find them. I just found my glasses in my bag. I don't understand. I looked in my bag first. They were not there. And then I look in my bag again and they're just there on the top. Good job. So I'm about to leave. Only my little puppy doggy, look. He's so cute. His little hands. He's so cute. I don't want to leave you. Oh, I don't want to leave this doggy. He's so cute. Look at it. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, and this one's so cute as well. He's so playful. I don't want to leave any of them. They're so cute. Look. Ah! Oh, why are you so aggressive? You're so aggressive today.
Wait.
Oh.
Okay, you want me to do that?
We're going, she's leaving me. Well, no, I'm leaving her. But she's going tomorrow.
Bye, vlog. Nice knowing you. It was nice knowing you, vlog. Bye.
Oh, we at the airport.
We're in the lame airport, going back to crap England. I don't know what to do. Bye.
Okay, let go of your hand. If you're going, I'm going with you.
People are now staring at us at the airport because she's making a big scene and grabbing onto my hand.
I will not let go. I will not.
Oh my god, it's like Titanic, I'll never let go.
I'll never let go. I'm falling.
So, good morning. I sound kind of weird because like I have a cold. I don't know how I managed to get a cold. I think it was because the day before yesterday we walked down and it was like raining when we walked down to the village. But yeah. Arrived at, like, we landed at about 2:30 and then by the time we got out it was already like 11. But then it took so long because half the lines on the motorway were like closed. So yeah. That's why I got home so late and I just started my bed and fell asleep. Hence why I'm still wearing my same clothes and I haven't taken my mascara or anything off. Kind of gross to be honest. But yeah. So I'm just going to go and edit this and this probably will be the end of the vlog. So goodbye.
Hello baby. Hello baby. Hello baby.